Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix if Brave browser is running slow. So to start, click the hamburger menu at the top right, then scroll to the bottom and go to settings. Now in here at the left side, go to privacy and security. Next, go to delete browsing data. So this is where you can delete history, cookies, cache, and more. So click on that. And from here at the top, so you can choose the time frame. So 24 hours, last 7 days, last hour, last 15 minutes. If you click on more, so you can choose last 4 weeks or all time. And down here at the bottom, make sure you check the box that says cookies and other site data and also cache images and files. You can also choose the others, but it's your choice. It's up to you. Then what you need to do is to go to the bottom and click delete from this device. And the last 15 minutes was deleted. So again, just click on delete browsing data. So for example, I'm going to choose last 24 hours for this time or all time and then still check cookies and other site data and cache images and files and delete from this device. And that's it. Very, very simple. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and try again and see if that works. Thank you for watching.